everyone. I hope everybody's doing well. Today what I want to do is I want to dig out the parts for this second build of 2019 here. Somehow, as usual, it got put on the back burner. I start projects and then I eventually finish them, but I jump around from project to project all the time. The first thing I did last week, I took the serial number and checked out what year this one was, and this one's a 1967 L8 Super Convertible. This one over here, I just checked out the serial number on this. This is a Model L. This is a 1969 Model L here. Last year, I do have footage on this one. I did the usual thing. I pulled off the magneto, cleaned up the points, put it back together there as far as that went. And then I cleaned out the carburetor. I ran it with no fuel filter or anything, and the gas tank's dirty, and these supports, the gas tank supports here, everything's all busted up here. I do have parts, and I am running out of parts, so eventually I'm going to have to find some more. I need more Graveleys, period. The parts are running out, and I want to try to get more Graveleys to build for you guys to watch. Plus, I enjoy doing it. Okay, so I have to pull everything out of the storage, of course, because the Gravely parts department's all the way in the back. And I do have an L8. It's all apart. So the first thing I want to do is get the parts together to fix the PTO on this, the shipper shaft. Somebody took the bolt out here, and I don't know. I know I got the parts for it. So I think I'm going to begin today by fixing this portion. The engine, it's an older engine on it. I guess it's that 5 horsepower. I'm not sure. I do have footage of this. When I first put it together, I think it was with another jug. It was smoking and backfiring and all crappy and everything. Then I found another jug for it. And I found piston rings that were like 5, they were 5 over. I put them in. I didn't even measure anything. I just slapped it together. It seems to run good and it doesn't smoke. So I do have all the parts. I bought a fan belt for it. I bought a fuel filter, fuel line. I forgot to buy the fuel shut off. So I'm going to have to go up to the local parts store up here and get a fuel shut off for it. And what I want to do is I want to disassemble this whole thing here. And I'm just going to repaint the whole thing. I'm going to fix it up nice because I think I'm going to sell that. Yeah, I most likely will sell it. And that's it for now. I did change the oil and filter on it. So, that's it. Okay, so far I misplaced the dog gear here that came out of this, so I have no idea where that is. But I took all the parts out of the L8 that I have in the back of the storage over here, and also this was in here, but it's seized into the flange. It could probably be unseized, but I'm just going to use all the parts from the L8. So the first thing I'll do is I'll drop the gear in here. I'll make sure this slides in and out good. cleaned everything up the best I could. Alright, this will be easier said than done. But this one I noticed is bolts in from the top here. So I don't think it should be too much of an issue. As you can see, if you could see it, like this turns on here really easy. This thing was weather beaten, it was outside. So I'm going to see if I can drop this thing in here. Without much of a problem, maybe. I know it's hard to see what's going on here because I can't even see what's going on here. I just dropped the... I forgot what this piece is called. This piece here. I forget what it's called. Yep, I forgot what it's called. Now the problem is I hardly have any feeling in my right hand here, which makes matters worse. I'm gonna find this ridge here. Probably gotta pull the dog gear out towards me some. Okay, I think I got it down in there. Now we're going to put our bolt and the other bolt that has the lever on it attached to it. I'm going to stick that on there. Thing all bent up or what? I don't know. Maybe not. I think I got it caught in there. You see what's going on up on the top? What I'm doing? Yeah, I guess you can. Let's put the camera up a little bit higher, maybe. All right. I've seen these with a nut and bolt instead of just a threaded bolt going in, and it looks like it's a real struggle. I don't remember over the years if I ever had to deal with one, but it looks like it's a real struggle. Okay, we're taking these two bolts up here. Sometimes I notice with these, sometimes when you have the lever on, these get bent. And sometimes it's hard to disengage the power takeoff. So what you got to do is you got to bend this till it's comfortable going into gear and comfortable coming out. I've seen that happen sometimes. Alright, yeah, this one you have to use an open end wrench on. You can't fit the socket on there. I tried to put a ceiling light in towards the back of the storage here because I had to work blind taking this thing apart back there. I don't know if I get to that today, but my main concern is to get this done. And it's a shame. I know they're in the coffee can somewhere, the dog ear and the rest of the parts for this. I don't know where. I don't know where I placed them. I usually try to keep all the Gravely parts together. Anything's possible in here. Sometimes everything gets everywhere. And you guys that do this know what I'm talking about. I don't have to tell you. Okay. It would be nice if it works. Yeah, this bolt looks like it's bent or something. Okay, that's tight. Alright, that's not working. I got this over tightened probably. See, this is going to be a problem here. I think. I don't know. You don't want the bolt to come loose. I don't like the way it feels either. I guess it's okay. I guess that bolt's supposed to spin in there like that. I don't like it. You can't unscrew it with your fingers, so I imagine it's okay. The only thing I don't like now, the flange, it's not tight on this side. I don't know if it makes much matter or what, but we'll see once this thing's together. And we'll operate it. I'll probably end up throwing the brush hog on it and cut the little feel with it when it's done to see how it runs and everything. Is that why you put nut and bolt? I don't know. I'm not sure here. Okay. That portion's done. If any of you Gravely guys watch this, just let me know about this bolt here that holds the lever on. If it's gonna, what your thoughts are. Okay, I found the problem with it. What it has in the lever here, there's a bushing here. And what happened was the bushing was seized into the lever here. Because this bushing is tapered to where it comes up through the hole. So when you tighten the bolt up, the bolt's tight, but you can still move the lever back and forth. But now what I don't like is now there's a lot of play in it. I gotta check out my other L8 over here that's sitting here and see how sloppy that one is. And I already had to bend this. I'm not gonna know anything until I put the what do you call it, the lever on there and see how the lever works with the PTO in and out. So it was as simple as that. I couldn't let it go like that. I didn't like that, but it was just common sense and stuff that I forgot over the years. Over the days. Okay, this seems to be okay for now, the lever here. I'll know more when I put it together and I put the handle on it. I don't like how far this thing goes into towards the handlebar here, but I can't engage the other one because it's got the pin on the plow support. It won't allow you to engage the PTO. Anyway, I put this cover back on here for now, and I'm going to jump over to the postal Gravely and see how that starts, and just give a quick little cut of the field, see how that is after we put the new exhaust system on it. I'm just curious to see how it is, and then after that, that'll be it for today. Okay, I don't like what I'm seeing already. I turned the gas on and loaded with gas. Needle and seat sticking. If I can't fix this carburetor without taking it apart, I'm just going to see if I have another carburetor around. I should. So Okay, that's going to be it for today. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.